So, how did Cenat make $280,000 in one night? Not by eating hot chips or hurting himself, but just by sleeping. This money machine was executed through a live stream on Twitch. The concept was deceptively simple. Cenat set up a camera in his room, hit the record button, and settled in for the night. The twist was, Cenat had the audience participate, allowing viewers to donate money to trigger alarms, sound effects, and even songs. That would disrupt his sleep, much to the amusement of the audience. This simple setup turned a passive act into a shared experience filled with money and humor. The fun part about it was that everything was up to the viewers, who felt they were part of a live event, impacting Cenat's sleep in real time. This sense of control and participation is a powerful motivator for people to stay engaged and spend more than $250,000 in one night. Cenat used his creativity to provide this raw, unfiltered approach that his audience loves, offering a glimpse into a moment of genuine human vulnerability, and making it fun at the same time. His ability to transform a mundane routine into a monetizable event underscores the limitless potential that creators can tap into with a fresh perspective and innovative approach. Cenat's sleep stream was successful not only because of his charisma and digital savviness, but also people want content they can participate in. By embracing the unexpected and challenging conventional norms, he has established himself as a creative genius. Cenat's ventures into the realm of live sleep streaming prove how strong the power of being original mixed with audience engagement. It's easy to see how creativity and a touch of humor